NIST scientists affectionately refer to this machine as the crushinator. Its job is to apply pressure to things in a controlled way. This squishy pad of silicone being tested here is part of a new device that could help doctors monitor their patients' blood pressure. The silicone acts like the soft tissue in your wrist, and the crushinator mimics the pressure of blood pumping through an artery. Thin optical fibers measure subtle changes in the pressure as it goes up and down in real time. Researchers are currently using this work to build a physical model of a human arm, complete with a fake artery running through the silicone. The model arm could then be used to design a new kind of blood pressure monitor that people could wear on their wrists like a watch.